This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Levine. Shows like a new home. Sellers have lovingly cared for this spacious sun-filled home. New carpeting on second floor was just installed. The fabulously large kitchen features new Bosch dishwasher, double ovens, microwave, and abundance of upgraded granite counter, breakfast bar, and beautiful cabinetry throughout. It opens to the large eat-in area and sunroom plus view of the family room. The family room has a new mantle and cathedral ceiling, gas fireplace, and wired for surround sound. You can wall mount your TV system behind some white sliding glass doors. Keep all your electronics. The master suite is large and the bath 2 separate sink area plus a new tiled shower and jacuzzi. Upstairs there is a bonus room, 3 bedrooms and a movie theater room. Furniture etc. is for sale. The walk crawl space is conditioned. The sellers have just expanded the rear deck. Privacy abounds and there is forever green space behind you. This home is warm and welcoming and wonderful for entertaining. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Levine at 757-810-8624.